Energy from the biofuels. So first of all, what are the biofuels? Biofuels are basically made from the plant matter. Sun energy is converted into the chemical store of the plant. It is basically through the process of photosynthesis. The energy of the sun is converted into the chemical store of the plant. Biofuels such as the ethanol or methanol, both of these are the replacement of the fossil fuel because these are used at the place of fossil fuel. However, they only give you a very small output. Like they give you the very small output that is almost half of the fossil fuel. So you can see here the biofuel like the ethanol and the methane can be used in the place of fossil fuel. However, they only provide a modest quantity of the energy, almost half of the energy as compared to the fossil fuel. It means that the energy that you obtain by the fossil fuel is double than that of the energy that you obtain by the biofuels. There are some advantages and disadvantages of the biofuel. So biofuel is a renewable source of energy because this can be used again and again to obtain the energy. So it's given here the biofuel is a renewable source of energy as it can be used to produce the energy many times. Biofuel can be used to power some vehicles in the place of fossil fuels. Basically, the fossil fuels are used for the transportation system. When there is the shortage of the fossil fuel, you can use the biofuel for the transportation means to power the vehicles. There is no emission of the sulfur dioxide. By the burning of fossil fuel, there is the emission of some gases that are very harmful for the environment, just like the carbon dioxide and the sulfur dioxide. But when the biofuel burn, there is no emission of the sulfur dioxide. Biofuel is thought to be the carbon neutral. It is because of the reason during the process of photosynthesis when the plants prepare their food, they actually uses the carbon dioxide. But the same amount of carbon dioxide is given back into the environment when these are burned. So the amount of carbon dioxide that they gain is basically released into the atmosphere. That's why the biofuel is thought to be a carbon neutral. You can see here it is because the plants use the carbon dioxide during the photosynthesis to prepare food, but they are also release the same amount of the carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere when they burned. All of these are the advantages for the biofuel, but there are also some disadvantages for the energy that is obtained by the biofuel. So the first disadvantage is that the crops of the plant needed to make the biofuel must be grown, which takes time. It is because of the reason the growing crop requires a lot of the area of the earth and resources that are needed for the production of the food. So same reason is given here. It is due to the reason that growing crops requires a lot of area and resources that are needed for the food production. Second disadvantage is that when the biofuel are burned, there is a release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So this carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plants during the photosynthesis. That's why these are basically called as carbon neutral. But this gas is very harmful for the environment as it causes the acid rain. So it's basically the disadvantage for the energy obtained by the biofuels. The same thing is given here. The carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere when the biofuels are burned. The plants absorb the carbon dioxide during the photosynthesis, making it regarded as a carbon neutral. That's why you can regard the biofuels as a carbon neutral.